Welcome to this guided tutorial on how to enable the multiple choice option in a WordPress poll. In this walkthrough, the process is broken down into clear steps to help you navigate easily through the settings and adjustments needed in WordPress. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting the WordPress website. This is the starting point of the tutorial, and once you are there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you will notice the login option. After you click on the login button, you will be prompted with various sign-in options. Choose the option that says continue with Google. When you select this option, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Go ahead and choose your desired account to sign in quickly and securely. This method is straightforward and convenient, especially if you already use Google for your online activities. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to the feedback section. This area is designed for users to submit suggestions, inquiries, or any type of feedback regarding your WordPress experience. By clicking on feedback, you will see additional options available to you. Within this section, locate the option that says Crowd Signal. Crowd Signal is a tool that integrates seamlessly with WordPress and is used for creating and managing polls, surveys, and quizzes. To move forward, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Once you have entered the Crowd Signal area, you will see your account drop-down menu on that side. This drop-down is usually represented by your avatar or your username, and clicking on it reveals additional account options. When the drop-down menu appears, select the option for Settings. The settings page is where you can customize various aspects of your crowd signal setup. Within the settings area, look carefully for the option labeled multiple choice. This is a key feature that you must enable if you want respondents to have the option to select more than one answer in your poll. It is important to make sure this setting is turned on, particularly if you aim to collect more nuanced feedback through your poll. Enabling this feature can enhance the interactivity and accuracy of the responses you collect. After you have turned on the multiple choice option, the final step is to ensure that your changes are saved. To do this, locate and click on the Save Options button. Saving your options will immediately apply the change, allowing the multiple choice feature to become active in your poll. This simple guide provides an easy to follow method to enhance your poll functionality on WordPress. By enabling multiple choice, you give your audience a more flexible and engaging way to interact with your polls. The process remains user-friendly from start to finish, ensuring that even those with minimal technical experience can follow along without any hassle. Enjoy your newly enhanced polling experience, and thank you for taking the time to learn this useful tip on WordPress.